She loves to munch on my toes. She's always eating my toes. This is why I love working with people who've had enough of their bullshit. The main reason is they do not make any excuses. Whatever their life looks like right now, they know it's possible to change. It's possible to become the best version of themselves. And it's more than possible to bring their imagination into their reality. They do not make any excuses. They don't ask me why things are not working out. It's always about the bounce back rate for them. So if they had a bad moment or a bad day, they're able to bounce back from that really quickly. They don't react, they don't spiral, and they do not allow that bad moment to become who they are. And I have found this is the key to really living out your dreams. You have to be so relentless with your new story, your new thoughts, and you have to be so aware and so conscious of what you're thinking about every moment of every day, because your dominant thoughts manifest. It's important to have a routine, of course, to meditate and to, do tapping every single day for 10, 15 minutes. But what you do throughout the day also matters. So people who are sick and tired of their own patterns, they are relentless with this work. They don't have a backup plan. What they want is their desires, and they will not stop until they get them. And this is why I love working with people that are sick and tired of themselves initially. And this doesn't come from a place of hate or blame, but it's almost like this knowing within them. They know that they deserve something and someone so much better that they are excited to meet the reality that they desire. They know something amazing is waiting for them at the end of this inner work. And of course, this journey is ongoing. It's always going to show us different aspects of what we want to work on. But people like this enjoy the process. They don't hate themselves. They don't judge themselves because they have met the part of that within them that is connected to, the all that is. Source, God, universe, whatever you want to call it. So if you're sick and tired of your own bullshit, join Become Magnetic. The exact formula to change your life is inside that course. In just 8 weeks, you will learn how to magnetize your desires to you. No chasing, no forcing, just learning to become the best version of yourself and getting everything you've always wanted, magnetizing them to you. All right, link at the top of my page. Ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.